Hey guys, Min here. So I got a problem. I have this backpack here that I've been using for quite a while. And they don't even make them anymore. This is a e-bag backpack that I use for travel, for work. And here's my problem. So on the back, this swivel hook that's hooked up, connected similar to here, like so, it's broken. This retractable hook area is broken. This clip area is broken. So my question is, how do I fix this? I mean, I guess I could put a carabiner on, just take this portion off and put a carabiner, but there gotta be an easier way. So I think I found it. It's this. This is a swivel hook, almost exactly like it, but except it's metal and it's polished metal, I guess, coating. But it has a removable pin. So it has a removable pin that you can use, and you can just basically stick it in like so, and you can do that. So I think that will fix my problem. So in this video, I will show you how I repair my hook here. And they're actually 1 inch, so it's perfect size, as you can see. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is remove the existing. So what my plan is to do is actually use a oscillating tool to cut this hard plastic off, and then I could replace it without doing any additional sewing or anything. Use the existing loop without doing anything else. So it should be very easy. Let's do it. Okay, so I have the hook that's broken here. What I want to do is I want to cut right here so I get this loop out without damaging the loop and without re-sewing the fabric. Okay, so I have the oscillating tool here, so let's get started. Okay, the thing is cut, and I should be able to, well, let's see here. Maybe I should cut it on this side as well then. All right, so I have this tool now cut. Should be able to remove it now. Maybe one more cut. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. Let's try it this way. There you go. All right. Yeah, it took a little bit longer than I thought, but we got the loop open. All right, so let's move back to the desk and we'll put the swivel hook on. Okay, I'm back, and I got the old swivel hook off. So I have the new one, which fits perfectly, which is 1 inch. So all I need to do is get this piece through this little hole and through that. But what I've been told is that this may come off, so I got some thread locker. And let's do this. Put this through, like so. Put this through. We'll put a little thread locker on this end here. Okay. And then we'll put it in. And they even provide a nice little screwdriver. Yeah, that's it. And I am done. Sure. Okay, let's make sure it's tight. Yeah. And will it work? I have this little piece here. We can just click on and, oh, perfect. Okay, now I fixed my backpack. Pretty cool. Okay, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. I'll put all the parts in the descriptions below. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Have a good day. Bye.